Welcome to Value Realization. This series focuses on frameworks for ensuring customers achieve their business objectives. Value realization is the bridge between selling a solution and proving it actually works. It's about demonstrating real, measurable business impact to your customers. Value realization answers a fundamental question. Did your customer actually achieve what they wanted to achieve? The core concept is simple. It's the process of ensuring customers hit their defined business objectives and measurable outcomes. Why does this matter? Because it directly impacts retention, expansion opportunities, and customer lifetime value. Your role is to guide customers through proven frameworks that maximize return on investment and make success visible and measurable. Value realization follows a structured four-phase approach. Phase 1 is plan. You define success metrics and customer objectives upfront. Phase 2 is execute. You implement solutions and deploy the capabilities the customer needs. Phase 3 is measure. You track progress against defined key performance indicators. Phase 4 is optimize. You drive continuous improvement and identify expansion opportunities. These phases work together to create a complete value realization cycle. Planning is your foundation. Start by defining clear objectives. Align what the customer wants to achieve with what your solution can deliver. Next, establish metrics. Identify quantifiable key performance indicators that will measure success. Create a timeline with realistic milestones for the entire implementation. Finally, identify key stakeholders. Engage the decision makers and implementation teams who will drive the project forward. Strong planning prevents misalignment and sets everyone up for success. Execution is where plans become reality. Deploy the solution by installing and configuring it according to the customer's exact requirements. Train the customer's teams so they have the knowledge and skills to use the platform effectively. Integrate with their existing systems and workflows so everything works together seamlessly. Finally, validate the setup. Make sure the system is functioning correctly and meeting those initial requirements you defined in the planning phase. Good execution builds momentum and customer confidence. Measurement is where you prove value. Monitor the key performance indicators you defined in planning. Track them continuously against your targets and industry benchmarks. Calculate return on investment by quantifying the value delivered relative to what was spent. Generate reports and dashboards that show progress toward objectives in a way the customer can see and understand. Identify gaps where performance differs from expected outcomes. This data drives all future improvements and gives you concrete evidence of success. Optimization keeps value growing. Drive continuous improvement by refining processes and configurations based on the performance data you've collected. Expand capabilities by unlocking additional features and modules that drive further value. Increase adoption by growing the user base and deepening engagement across the customer's organization. Finally, plan expansion. Look for cross-sell and upsell opportunities that align with the customer's success and their new business goals. Optimization transforms a successful project into a long-term partnership. Here is the complete framework in summary. Define clear objectives so everyone knows what success looks like. Execute systematically to turn plans into working reality. Measure continuously so you always know where you stand. Optimize always to keep driving more value. Drive innovation by helping customers solve new problems. And achieve outcomes that matter to their business. Your role is to guide customers through every single phase and ensure they achieve their business objectives. That's what value realization is all about.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.